Does your dog sneeze like this? Don't worry, it's usually harmless, but the real reason might surprise you. But why do dogs sneeze this much? Should you be worried, or is it totally normal? One common reason: play sneezing. Dogs sneeze to show excitement, especially during play. Dogs also sneeze to communicate. It's their way of saying calm down or let's keep it friendly. Dogs have powerful noses, so strong smells like perfume, dust, or cooking smoke can trigger sneezes. Sometimes it's just a tiny piece of dust, thread, or grass stuck in the nose. If your dog sneezes with blood, snores suddenly, or has trouble breathing, that's when you check with a vet. You can check your dog's nose gently. Look for swelling, discharge, or a stuck thread. Sometimes your dog sneezes because he's having too much fun.
Aspin, that's
Yup,
play
it's a
sneeze.
real thing. Sometimes sneezing is your dog's way of saying, "Hey, I'm friendly. Let's keep playing." Or maybe, "Your floor is just dusty. Don't worry. Same here." Some dogs sneeze when they want attention. Dramatic little actors.
Really, Aspin?
But if the sneezing is non-stop, that's different. Dogs can have allergies, dust, food, perfume, even your new floor cleaner. If your dog's sneezing comes with discharge, bleeding, or lasts for days, please see your vet. But most of the time, your dog is just being cute. Sneezes are funny. Dogs are perfect.